Oh, every morning I rise and stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. Wagwan pretty farty. Long time. How you feeling? Lord of His mercy. I wish Rasta lady that. Wagwan Rasta lady. Toronto crew. Wagwan. Don't worry. When I set my life on track, I'm going to be having my podcast. And you can tune in. When you send Nico. Easy. Catlia. Mango you need and a mango time now. You done now one phone call with a Casey. Done, me say me done it doing over live, you know. Chandel. And then me say me a come over. Wicked Cadine, remember you hate me, you know. And me hate you back. Done with you. You know me have to come on pan live because I see that meme there a while ago with Alice. The meme said, take back your ex or eat back Alice crab. I'm not telling a lie. Easy way name. Davy or Dav or David Davy or David D or pick up yourself. Yo, who to come talk to me? Cause me know no found a liar. You gotta take back your man, your ex-man, or you gotta eat back Alice crab. Or Jackson. Pay a liar girl there over Instagram and pay a girl over. And the man them, you gotta take back your woman, your ex-woman, or you gotta eat Alice crab with the coconut and the can. Alice crab and coconut or corn are your ex. A ex where you buy all car and whole heap of Louis Vuitton and whole heap of this and whole heap of that. And him gone in the wind with his next woman. Let me see it. CC says she gonna drink the soap. Mel says she gonna eat the crab. Because she now go back. See it there? Alice crab. Them me not tell you say Alice will be back next month. Me tell you say Alice will come back. Ali will and take out so and back Alice crab. Me talk and tell you no. Where are the Kareem? Remember, me know say Alice did go make a big comeback. Me glad for the memes. And me a tell you no. DJ Lava. Me just see a tune and remember you me listen from morning. Not even know say you know there Sun City again. Fear me for me see you go on the bag of thing and you may listen. Salt and beer we are dealing, the wicked them, we say them not take back the ex. And not gonna eat Alice crab. Make sure we're not gonna eat Alice crab next month. Under bother hide. Those video it same way like on out there on a video crab. You don't have to tell a lie. You don't miss the crab for sure. You don't miss the crab. Alice will be back. Alice will be back. Tasha, big up yourself. Me see you now for the first. Remember, me see some woman run out and say, oh, give me 2 dozen of Alice crab. A while ago, me send it to a girl and the girl say, me not take back the ex. Give me 2 bags of Alice crab. And the same bucket. Me say, I saw that girl I hate the ex-man, yeah. Jesus Christ. Bumblecleat. Really say anyway you take it, it's a shitty situation. That one is tough. What the man never say, come in. What the man them there wanna do? Take back the XR, Alice coconut and can. Or Alice soap. The big pot of soap. And the crab what she put in her hand in her soap. And go say one piece, they sit. See Alice, yeah. And so Alice do it, you know. The thing the crab in it and go so. See it, yeah. Take it. I love it. How you feeling? I'm ball out. See, Tisha Sparta said she would have take her ex. Me know how, she know how to deal it for them shit. Jesus Christ, see that? OG say him no eat crab, so him gone back on him ex. I know me. Bougie girl, I know me. Alice! Wagwan, wicked Alice. How you feeling? Come, we have to talk. 95% of the so now go eat Alice crab. 5% so now take back on the ex. It's always about how you and the ex left. Make how you say, me never see you coming. Say it again. Boys, they say I ex him a deal it. If Nadine gonna come back, then if Alice gonna come back, Nadine must come back. When me woulda do? When me woulda do? Boy, it's a shitty situation. When me woulda do? Me died and take back my ex. Me not tell a lie. Because me can't make nobody come for me. I go around to the crab place. Me can't make nobody come for me. Because I remember people have to take out them phone. And I say, Richie, see how with the crab there? Remember, me can't do that. I can't do that. I better me hide and go to the ex-girl yard and call her down and knock down her door and throw wall and throw stone pan her window. I better me do that. More than me going to come for me run Alice. Rika, my ex-wife, done with you, you know. Yeah, me know only love video. So, me just wait till night come and go throw stone pan wall. And go throw stone, so throw stone. All in the black, maybe just buy a new chip or borrow be people phone. Maybe I call her for your phone now. One call a number and see something and just call you from 37 different numbers. Everybody a pass me just a call you. The excitement. I park me car right in front of the yard and turn on the lights up. Get a bomb. Turn on the light and create the excitement. Yeah man, do not worry on yourself. Alice will be alright. Because Alice are trending for long, you know. DJ Mario. DJ Mario. Lord. I have to talk to you. Well, I have to reply to this. I have to reply to this. Hold on. Remember now. We have to have a talk. Leave Alice alone for a minute. I say I post this morning. See? I say I can't find it back. Over there, dream. And their dream. Their dream, our official. So the woman say, hold on, may I find it. See it here? The woman say, I have a child with a policeman. He does oppose the child on birthdays or special occasions. Better yet, no one outside his family or my family know he is the father of this child. He lives with his wife. You hear that part there? He lives with his wife. Right? He lives with his wife. But normally, he shows up for birthdays or Christmas days. but I think he should post my child. We were just having fun and I got pregnant and he told me I can't keep it, but I always wanted a second child, so I went behind his back. I went behind his back. Right? I went behind his back and kept my child. He is active. He's an active father, but I want him to let everyone know he's the father of my 8-year-old. Remember, you know, that's why I come on live. To make me on the talk. She know the man married. She know about the wife. Them a have fun. She breed. Right? She breed. The man said, don't keep it. She say, come suck me, I keep my pitney. I don't go take the money. Don't do it. Right? Now, 8 years after, remember the man no run way, the man still the right, the active, same way. Look for the little boy, play with the little boy, be a father to the little boy. Now, after 8 years now, she want him to post because him have him other pitney them. Have him other pitney them, you know. And she see them on social media. So she want fear pitney to go up on social media too. One thing me always learn is when you store up a ant's nest, you're going to get bite. And me never hear about a sweet bite yet. Me never hear about a nice bite yet. The bite them always hot. If you trouble wasp are going to sting you. And the wasp them sting you at some place where beer people are going to see it. Wasp them all sting you all in your eye right so and swell up the whole around you so. Sting you all right so swell up the whole right so. The wasp them sting you all about. Right? And if you're trouble dog bite you. And the dog bite you. And remember say you have to go to the doctor and the bite will take long to get better. So it's best to keep yourself quiet. Somehow no girl, who is blood clot wicked. Because enough other woman out there fight for the man does even look on the pitney. Right, killer filler? Remember, you know, some of the woman them out there fight for the man does even say, me I go spend 1 second with the pitney and just hold up the pitney at the ear, so. You said the man is there, the man active, but you want the man post the pitney and make people know say him are the father. Me know say me are the father. You know say me are the father. The pitney know say me are the father. Why you want the whole world to know? My baby mother hook a bit. You want everybody know now. Remember your child is well taken care of him. I 8, you know. 8-year-old. 8 years old. 8. And I know you want to bring problem in that little boy life. Because remember, you know, it's obvious that's the wife doesn't know. She soon know, you know. But that's not your job to do. Because either him and him brother, him and him sibling, them are going to buck up. But you want to go post on social media now, a Christmas picture you want taking a blood clot pajama. Me tell you about you follow fashion monkey girl, you know. Me tell you about you know. You want to go take Christmas picture in a pajama. Because you still a fuck the man, 8 years now. Right? And I like say you not involved same way. I'm still a fuck your right show all in a night Joe. You get your money same way. You get your little half a night sleep. Or your little half a day sleep. You get all of them something the same way where you normally did get. And you still a blood clot run down post. You want to go blood through Christmas a come. Through blood clot Christmas a come. You want to take pajama picture. Eh? And talk about from my family to yours. Move your blood clot idiot. From my family to yours. From my home to yours. You know that's easy a blood clot self. Because you can bet say she argue with the man now and I say a full time now for the world know her pitney. The world don't know your pitney already. All of who's involved, the parties that involved know You pick me a school fee, you pay everything, because you say the man active. But through Christmas a come, you dirty blood clot want your llama. And your llama you want, Christmas a come, you want your llama, you little Feliz Navidad blood clot. You want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas from the bottom of your heart. Eh? And one Christmas tree you got blood clot make mash up you and the man. Because remember, you know, the little boy, alright with him father. You the alright with him, but now you want social media post, your blood clot, can you send it over their dream now? You look up blood clot, we wish you a Merry Christmas, blood clot, yo. Tell them about you, girl, you know. Mash up on oneself and then on the sound show no do it. Mash up on yourself. You look up blood clot, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, blood clot, yo. Move. On the too selfish. You done alright with the look 2 days a week already, now you want 7 days. You feel like if the man and him wife have problem, man look for you. Him could all abandon the picnic and say, yo, me done it don't know. When make my wife left me, you're dead. I'm back all him gun pound now. Your blood clot, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas, blood clot. Pyjama mash up on your life. Me tell you when Christmas come, the wrong thing when I look about. Me can't believe this. Ugly sweater. An ugly sweater mash up the people in relationship. Ugly sweater. Hold on, I soon get to that part. You don't know if you keep on the mouth. Remember me know about a happy wife bring a happy life. Me know about that part there. Me know about that part there. Happy wife, happy life. But me know say, don't watch the cow them. Come drink milk and alright. You want the cow, you want the milk, you want the grass, you want everything. And now the man not gonna yam from you. Cause remember by now, you know. You don't know if the man follow up social media, you know. You don't know this, you know. So you now want to go to the man's wife and say, I'm coming to you as a woman. Move your blood clot, Shirley. Move. Uno girl named Shirley. Don't come looking for my man. If you find your husband, and ball out. How that you gonna do it, Shirley? The girl never love run and bust out and say, you must know me. A Shirley with the name. Dirty Shirley. Shirley, come talk to me. Shirley, come here. Come talk to me. You blood clot, yo. What is Shirley them there? Only ignorant and not going up alone. You want Christmas. Oh, cause here we are a problem there. You see we are a problem there? Oh, on holidays. The man come visit my holiday, you know. The man come visit my holiday, but him not sleep like that for holiday, because you know him have to they home with the family. Shirley. Boy, you come to the woman as a woman. Nobody go to nobody as a woman, boy, I'm coming to you. Them days are done. Because 99% of the time, that woman not leaving her man. She not leaving him. She go cuss him, she go war, she go lick back a fuck on him. But she not left. She not left. Because if you come out of the woodworks at 8 now, 8 you know, and she never know about you. Because she could all know about you already and not even care. But you want yourself to be known because Christmas a come. Christmas a come, you know. And you want your llama. Bumbo clot. Christmas a come and you want your llama. Shirley. Wanna tell Shirley if you love it here? Tell Shirley love it. Because she gonna cause problem for herself. May I tell you, she gonna cause problem for herself. Wanna tell Shirley to behave. Tell Shirley so nobody do it. Tell Shirley not do it. Talk to Shirley. Everybody upon this call Shirley and tell her say Shirley, you want your life to remain happy because you know you look a problem you look. Problem you look. Remember when a man tell the same soul left him wife, you have to see the divorce paper them and the whole of the money and the something them. May I tell you, Shirley, Not do it. Make him cuss and say him can't bother with the wife. Because you don't know. Most of you know. The man of him wife and you give him some style where him not normally get time yard. That's why him come to 5 out of 7 nights a week. And you and him go on with the something them. Because you use a woman where we just cock up right behind the car. And the wife nah cock up behind the car. You understand? You would just know say you're spontaneous and you go to man all try to give him head under water and you know you can't swim. You take some risks where the wife nah take. You understand? So you live a happy life. You and him we all go up another flight and you they don't have 24F and the man they up a 15B. Right? I want to clear customs and immigration. I want to know so now got the same place. But you're alright with it because you get the right treatment. Why you want to go sit on a blood clot 15A? Eh? And sit down side of the man and sleep on the man's shoulder. Why you not hold it? Shirley, may I talk to you? Shirley, come here. Can't say me no want you, no Shirley. Shirley. Remember say? Well, I want to jump up and talk about me not be no side chick for no boy like Vanessa Bling. Try remember. Vanessa Bling was a side chick here. You don't bother follow them song and take them serious and read into them and just do the right thing. Remember? But just tell you, just remember. Who Vanessa Bling did there with again? And who was Vanessa Bling man? Remember? So you don't bother go on like you an idiot. Don't mash up your life just because two friends. I'm going to tell someone this. You not take advice from some girl when you have no man. You not take advice from some girl when you in no relationship. Where you say come over? You still asleep on shoulder? What you mean? Hold the boy shoulder, yes? You not listen to the song them because enough of the song them where the girl them a sing a lie. Them a sing about them tech people, man. Most of the girl them will sing about them tech people, man. Fuck and lick them ball. Why? Shirley, I talk to you now. Listen to my advice. Don't mash up your little son life. Don't make him a wonder how him can't see him father how long now. Don't make him a wonder how him father block him and not take him call off a certain time. Shirley, don't mash up the youth. You see school just something back and him a hate. That means him a prepare for Pepe and no one them something there. You understand? Shirley not do it. Somehow no idiot. You know you about want it. Pretty lax. Done it there, you know. Cause them just asked me a while ago if you're going to take back your ex. Or you're going to eat Alice crab. I'm going to tell them, say, yo, me a guy that throw stone for your window. Cause you don't know even though we left, you don't really want to be a wicked still, but you know? You don't really want to be a wicked still, but I can't have nobody come catch me and video me and send come show you some guy at down Alice. I have to leave that to the foreign people that want to see the video. Because I know everybody not really see the video, right? Everybody not see the video. So you know when the foreigner them come and say, where can I get some crab? I need that Jamaican crab. And them are going to say, go around a hero circle. And you don't know them are going to go around there and people are going to video them and they say, why are you eating that crab? And they say, oh, it's so nice. It's so lovely. It's so lovely. I love this crab. What's this lady's name? Alice. Her name is Alice. She got the best crab. And then Nadine go there and make up her face. Nadine go there and make up her face. I see a video this morning. Them have a toilet out there now. Them have a toilet out there now. So, everything will go good. Don't know by the month you have done. Hero circle, we gone back. National hero. Never hear say no king no get no crown in a them town. Nadine not get no crown, boy, yeah. Done it, Nadine, and so she sell out Alice, you know. Only can't stay there. Done it there. When you come, I have to talk to you wise, you know, you know, I love all of you know. Some of you wicked and some of you not wicked. Some of you bitter. Una always hate the girl them when you know hear say una and the girl them a fuck the same man. Una always hate the girl them when you know and them a fuck the same man. Una hate the girl them, una hate the girl them pitney, una hate the girl them friend. Una you know never hate the man yet. Me know why una not hate the man. Me know why una not hate the man. Because the man make una feel safe and secure. I want to say una don't want no more girl come in at the relationship come feel safe and secure. But just try remember, everyone does not get the same treatment. Just sit down and think. You and this man there and this man have money. Your money stop. You ever want an oil change for your car yet and not get it? You have to park your car and take bus. Just look on the pros and cons. From him there with this girl, what change? Him now get the 3 day fuck them with the 3 week time of fuck where you used to get. How much time a week where the fuck drop down to 2 times or what? 1 time a month you get fuck. Complain about the fuck. But once your money not drop, once you still get the something them where you normally get, don't hate the girl. Because you don't know how some man stay, especially when them have money, them have to change them aisle. You know where you sign up to. Some on the blood clad wicked. On the wicked and want to hate some other girl. You know always a cuss how the girl them no look good. All you know the girl them look all better than you know want cuss. Oh, me no like that girl there. I want bitter. I want never yet say you no like the dirty man. You never yet say you no like him. You no cry over him. Remember the way you ball. Remember some big bag there and some on the eye, some ras bag around on the eye black the way you ball. You not tired for ball. Cause you not stress out on yourself. Why you not stress out on yourself? You not see the more on the ball, you not get ugly. Looking at the mirror somehow right now, take on the phone and look past someone yourself. You not get ugly and I never saw you look. I not blame me for all kind of things and not blame on yourself. You not ugly up on yourself. You not ugly. Me not like that phone. Me don't like that phone. You did nice. You did nice. Somehow the bag them when me see and somehow I don't care much makeup on the blood clot put on down the eye. It's still nasty because you no stress out. You no look on the lady on the internet or she stress out. You no see what man do her. You no look on the lady on the internet and so she stress out. Eh? You no look and see the stress. You no eat the blood clot people them data. Eh? You no create page. You don't know which part the girl work. You don't know which part the girl go eat her lunch and her friend them. You don't know so she go a voodoo lounge. You don't know so she go on a Zimmy and pool party. You don't know so she go on a FOF. You don't know so blood clot watch the girl so. Nobody not pay you for watch the girl. The girl has stress on out. You can't make girl stress on out. Eh? Look on yourself. People are asking you how you look so you not sleep. You not sleep. You used to have a beautiful smile and you smile not pretty again a blood clot. Not care how much veneers you put in. You not smile pretty again. Me not like that phone, you know. Fancy face. You now move good. That's why I forget a break. Come on, man. Oh, that girl there. Remember me hear a girl say. Remember she knows say the man have a woman, you know. And me hear one time the girl say, me and him for gone further, you know. Me and him for the further than this, you know, about that bitch there. Other bitch there, stop it. Other bitch there in the way. What you say? One thing me learn. If that man there, no one left that woman there, he not gonna left that woman there. If you go Obia man go try work Obia, he might go turn around by you. Because he might go realize there's something wrong. And he might go turn it by you. If he might do the things them, and him realize there's something mix up and something level and something waiting him there, he might go say blood clot. You know, so I don't like a wagwan. Another girl cook this for me so from what you start change and do some different thing. Because somehow, you know, the things that we hear about somehow, you know, put all things all in our crutches, you know. So when the man go to the next woman, you know, him get her infection, you know, because you know, got a man and man go to things, you know, when I got dead somehow, you know, girl. Me I tell you know, when I put man name in a buckle, when I put girl name in a buckle, Uno go on with all kind of things. Uno try get all the girl clothes. And try do all kind of things. Easy perks, boss. Uno go on with all kind of things. No found upon this. No, uno do it. And me I tell you no. All uno do it. The man still not blood clot. There we do no. Uno still not get the man for yourself. Because if it's not Simone, it's gonna be Shirley. And if it's not Shirley, it's going to be Karen. And if it's not Karen, it's going to be Carissa. And if it's not Carissa, it's going to be Cindy. And if it's not Cindy, it's going to be Beverly. And if it's not Beverly, it's going to be Merkel. Because we not try make mole a man in a way uno want. You can't mole man, man can't mole uno. So uno fi mole man, a man can't mole uno. Law man make man be themselves. You can't try change people. No for uno have data. Uno have data, uno have some hate in our heart for the people, them data. Uno have data, you know. And uno hate the people, them data. Uno hate the people, them data. Uno dirty blood clot Merkel, uno. Cassandra, hold tight. Uno know when time I touch them topic, some people vex, because them know say them me attack. Them know. Me don't know enough of uno personally, but somehow uno bitter. Uno bitter bad. Uno bitter. Somehow uno have some blood clot Agatha and some Inga Smith. And some Brenda James. Uno fi stop it. The time you take her have up next girl, oh that bitch. And she met the man now this and she met the man now that. No, she don't do nothing more than be herself. Just try remember, say, uno have the woman and uno have the gold. Uno have the glue. Uno have the gum. And sometimes, your glue and a henkel glue. Sometimes someone have some paper glue. Because you know, uno not take care of the gum sham good, uno eat right. So sometimes uno gum sham a little loosey. You understand me? Now I say it big, you know, it's a little loosey. It turn paper glue, it's not crazy glue. You understand? And no epoxy. When you put it on, it does stuck. So someone have a little loosey. But nothing wrong with that. Because it's how you use it. And nobody come tell you, say, oh, true, you have pitney. Me know woman we have 6 pitney, a man still a fight over that. Me know woman we have 8 pitney, a man still a say the best front him ever get in life. So nobody come talk about true you have pitney. You have some girl you have pitney and them front not tight like year one. You understand? Everybody front is not the same. Everybody front ain't the same. So nobody compare yourself. All you have to do, you know, take care of yourself, eat properly and you know, drink your little smoothie them and you know, your carrot juice and blend up your soursop juice. Because I want to mix soursop juice for the man, beetroot juice, carrot juice, pineapple juice, all of the juice them. You don't make for the man and you don't drink none. So you don't feed the man and you don't feed yourself. Eh? Big plate of food on table, 3 meat, oxtail, fish and chicken. And you don't eat nothing and come talk about. I don't have no appetite. Then go dead for hungry, no? Go go dead for hungry. You dirty blood clot. Go dead for hungry. Ah, the man shrunk up. I'm strong, I don't know weak. I don't know can lift up a mapstick and broomstick and clothes basket. Because you stand yourself in a house blood clot made. You stop go out. You stop put on no clothes. When last time you dress up and put on no clothes? When last the man look on and ask you say I want to dress up and go? When last you put on no clothes and make the boy say blood clot my woman. So where you get them clothes then? You have it. No found have whole heap of clothes in the closet. Whole heap of clothes no found have on now wear it. I want the clothes do make you now wear it. I want to want dress up, you no feel sexy. When last a man look pound and tell you say, Mama, you're hot, you know. You know, Mama, you look so good. When last you put on one on the heels, you don't wear crocs, you don't favor crocs to blood clot. What happened? You not a crocodile? You know, hold up on yourself. All people walk with stick. You not even remember how to look without no work clothes and then I blame it and I talk about all they do is work. And you want blood clot work. And you want work like you can't done work. Have all your vacation time and now blood clot take it. Take your vacation time, girl. When last you go out, man, and treat on yourself. Buy a drink at a bar. You not sit down at a nice restaurant even by yourself. When last? When you are all up on a blood clot self. Eh? When you know what you me attack, a beer, work clothes, everything, work clothes, work clothes, work clothes. Try remember, you know. Try remember. Anytime you don't work, the work don't pause until you come back. There's always somebody there to work until you're back. You are replaceable. You are replaceable. Well, who the cat fit, let them wear it. Because I'm going to can't done work. Mel's. But they are talk about the woman them sit down and stress over next girl and knock, put on them clothes and go out and be a bag under them eye. Wanna have everything, wanna have the nice smell good perfume them, wanna have the nice bag them, wanna have everything nice. In a phone house that come like Neiman and Marcus. In a phone house that come like Nordstrom, in a phone house that come like Macy's. But you not go nowhere. You not do nothing with yourself more than a all up on a blood clot self. The man not even find you sexy again because you not just say, you know what? I go and drink a glass of wine and put on something nice in my house. I make the boy come in and see you. You just be that spray up and smell nice. Easy, original youth called Soko. I come talk about, boy, the kids them wear me out. The kids them wear me out. So, all I do is work and sleep, and the kids them are so tiring. Move your blood clot. When you skin out and I make the pitney them, you never know so them they got tiring. You sit down pan the man would and a wine pan it, and from your breathing a wine pan the man would like that again. The same wine where you use and breathe, you do it again. And you wonder how comes the man now fuck you not give him the vibes. Come like the whole of the vibes gone out of you to blood clot. You just all up your blood clot self so. I mean, never say forgot dance and stay out until hours. I never said nothing like that. I said go out, dress up and put on your clothes. You're not even a fear going away. Put on your clothes in the house. You love your favorite makeup. Put on your MAC and your something them. And about done your face with the foundation. Make your face thick so. With the whole heap of blood clot makeup on your face. And that me say just put on a little thing and a little thing. And go sabam and put on your nice ear. Some of them have some bad blood clot wig and now put on the wig them. When last time I don't do no nails, me don't want to hear about, oh, because of my job I can't do my nails. Fuck that. Me don't want to hear that. Oh, because of my job, that's why I can't do my nails. Fuck you and that blood clot. Me don't want to hear that. We don't find excuse for everything. Everything we don't find excuse for. And then now, when blood clot Barbara out there, cock up on a skin out, she surely a come. But hi Barbara, this is Shirley. Hi Barbara, this is Shirley. You look at blood clot Shirley up. Shirley Duppy. You can't trick me. You mash up on yourself and you not blame it for the next girl. The girl no do nothing. Nothing the girl no do. The man want to know, you know. The man want to know. But you not make the man need you know again like one time. Because you know all up on your blood clot self. You know not do it. You know stop it, man. The man want to know, but you don't make the man need to know. Because you know all up on yourself and I come blame it upon work every day. Like you don't know so no boss go home go fuck. If no boss go home go fuck right through. And if no boss no fuck, the boss husband a fuck or the boss wife a fuck. And him stress out and make work and stress him out and him forgot to go home go fuck him wife. But him have him look office relationship a go on. I mean I want you not talk about you have no office husband. I don't want to hear about you have no office husband. And I have no office wife. A office that blood clot. Move. You not trick me. Right? And I come talk about every. So remember, you know, we know. Somehow, you know, want to stop shave on the front. And that is one of the biggest turn off for the man them. Because when him go road and the girl where him go fuck, take off your clothes. All him see are the nice rascal pretty shave front. And she beat up and nice up and her place clean. And all you do, all up. And I go like all up and call up. Only stop it. The man come in and kiss. Watch the girl in that. Watch how the girl look all up. Watch them. Let me tell you this. Gone were the days, the all nighty them used to be the thing. Sleep used to be the thing. But you can't give with that every night. Pretty wings, what go on? You can't give with that every night. We don't want to see that blood clot all night today. We are give me Mary nighty for. We are give with Mary sleep for. Me don't want to see Mary sleep every night. Choose the night them when you wear the Mary sleep. Choose the night them when you wear the granny nighty. You can't just give me it every night, so every night. And then you wonder how come me not again a fuck. I kill 5 blood clot nighty that you give me. Move. I kill vibes that. You can't come and kill me blood. Not even look upon the river shots them. None of them look sexy something when you walk your body jar hang out. When last you put on one of them something where your body jar hang out. No body jar not hang out. Not titty nipple me not see. One bag of blood clot all like a hole it's me. I go move your round robin body blood clot. Your favor round robin. Blood clot. Moving up. And then you come talk about me and fuck next girl, you know. Then if you're not sexy up for me and go on for me. Eh? You're not spraying. How when you got your bed if you spray up? If you sweet up and nice up. You have to sweet up and nice up. Put on the something them. You have the little short shots them. Where the body hang out. Boy see and go so. Yeah. I slap and say. Yeah. I give you one for your bodies. Yeah. And go on over here. When I hold up on yourself and I blame it from picnic about picnic. Boy, the kids them just make me so tired. The kids them make me so tired. I'm so tired. The man not tired, you know. Because me know say if you in the house and the man would not stiff, you gonna have problem. You gonna have problem. You have to come out of the bathroom, lotion up yourself. The nice something them Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret something them. And you put on the something them. You don't have to put on a brassiere. You don't have to do that. You buy the set but you don't have to put on the brassiere something. And you put it on. You can't give me the granny something if you can't give it on a Sunday but on a weekend. You can't give me that on a weekend. Or if you give me that on a weekend, you know me I go out and me I go play. And me I go come in now. Right? Good on that two rhythm and booze. And me come in and I stagger away so. And when me go some man turn on like me think is an old girl in my bed. So I wish all blood clot girl listen a 90. Eh? What kind of 90? You don't feel on a 90. If you have on a rope, you pull the rope. That means when them go so the rope just pull so. And when me look, I hear nice slippers breast them that me see. And go so for your 2 slippers breast them because slippers never stop wear. Because me not go kill you if your breast them not stiff again. Slippers are wear. I'm go so for your 2 slippers breast them. I say, whoa, my wife. Oh, you smell so nice, my wife. For your slippers them. And go on. Yeah, you know this all blood clot 90. A Sunday night, if you give me 90. It named Sunday 90. Blood clot. When you don't now come wonder, oh man, I fuck next girl. Girl sexy and you old. Yeah, baby. Pick up your leg. So if you have Bridget or you have Reese's Pieces. But, you know, the girl them are crooks. Crooks of roughness. You can't make me come to bed in a crooks. Not do me that, mama. Not do me that, mama. You worry about stretch mark. You know how long me know you have a stretch mark them? You know how long? Somehow not worry about the wrong thing. All of a sudden. Remember, you know, you're there with the man from before you have your first child. You're there with the man when you have the second child. You're there with the man when you have the third child. Your body go through 3 type of change. Because 3 pitney have. Right? That no mean say your pussy done. I'll know you not start fuck it. Because if you are 60, your pussy still at work. I want to you. Remember, you know, when you're 90, your pussy still at work. All you have to do is lay down and walk me your foot, you know. Remember, man, have to always make sure them can't stand up, you know, because if man can't stand up, you know, the woman not going to want him, you know, you would have to working stiff. While you would just lay down so and just take fuck. Wrinkle or no wrinkle. You understand? Some of the like how I do yourself. I love how I go out on yourself, man. I vex, man. That's why I have to come talk to you, man. I don't like how you treat yourself, man. I don't like it. I don't like it, man. You hold up on yourself, man. I don't like when you go and them hold up themselves. No, if I want to just reach 40. Some I want to 45 yet. I want to blood clot all up on yourself and I come talk about, oh, him not come in and him not. You not do nothing for come in. Remember, you done a cook long time. 10 years you cook. 10 years you cook. You do everything the same way. You don't change nothing. Nothing you not change. You still a come talk about say when the man a give you back as your back a hurt you. You girl go and go blood clot train. Somehow no can't ride hood. Them have so much tutorial on the internet for you to learn for ride hood. If I suck hood on a problem, go and go learn. Cause them tutorial they dead. You not change up nothing. You not change up nothing. You have to change something. You still go the same road. So not changing course. So you not changing course. You just so straight. So you not turn off. Nothing you not turn off. And when you don't wonder, oh, comes the man asleep and I turn him back. Then I want to make the man a turn him blood clot back. I want to cause it, make the man a turn him back. Come talk about, oh, my knee, I'm my back, I'm my knee, I'm every blood clot thing. Give your next man a fuck and say if you don't bend down, I never know say you could have bend down. You never know say you could have touched your toe. Because you say, oh, Lord, me out of shape, I'm out of form. Me I tell you, you know. No one I do, you know. No one do that. Me I tell you no. You don't want to exercise at gym, go a blood clotting down the yard and exercise. Go yard, exercising down the yard. Surprise the man. Alright. Long time now enough for a ride on no manhood. Long time now enough for a ride on. Long time can I come talk about on foot. I bet say if you ever go somewhere the man come in one night, just say hey, tonight is your blood clot night. When you hear you say, what you mean? Just say, lay down your dirty blood clot, yo, and you start and go and say, don't give me no chat. Because sometimes man love bad up. Man love when no man bad them up. Somehow the two blood clot, fool. I can't bother with no fool, girl, you know. I can't bother with no fool. You two blood clot, fool. You don't have no little badness in you know. You don't have no little badness. You have to know if you bad up, man. I say, hey, sit down. You dirty blood clot, you fucker, you know. You always get brighter than this, man. Tonight, you're dead pussy hole. And when he hear that, him say, blood clot, I want to go on. Because you never talk so yet. You know, you know, I want you to lay down. Just lay down right there. And don't move, okay? Let me handle it. Let me handle you tonight. The man don't want to hear that blood clot. The man want to hear bumper hole. Lay down. You dirty blood clot. You no move. Tush, man. Blood clot. Now I hear no touch blood clot business, but let me handle you. Like when a blood clot candy them from blood clot or carry them out with the girl name from love and hip hop, but handle my blood clot. I angle the man while you angle it. You know why you angle it, him why you angle it. You dirty blood clot. When it was touch. The man why you get bad up. Bad up the man want get. When two blood clot, shy. Oh, I don't speak like that. Man, all the whole in your blood clot here and give back as boy. Oh, yeah, I don't like that. That's too rough. You're treating me too rough. Why you think so when him go on a blood clot Merkel yard? Him give Merkel some blood clot fucker. Merkel I love the choke. The man that put him on your neck and I choke you. Yeah, come talk about what you doing? Barry, what you doing? Winston, what you doing? Get your hand off my throat. Get it. Don't put it. That hurts. Winston, that hurt. Here, Winston, you dirty blood clot, and that's why I have to go fuck. You broke my vibes. Why you broke Winston vibes? Why you broke Winston vibes? Don't do blood clots, touches. I can't remember this touch blood clot, girl, man. It was touch, man. Man, want put him finger in your mouth and you suck him finger. Like how you name suck finger Jack. Man, put him finger in your mouth and you suck him finger. Blood clot. Do not step out of the box. And when you don't wonder why the man asleep and I turn him back. You know, give the man nothing for rascal at reminisce pan and say, how we go on last night? The way you sit down on the boy, I would have bump on it 2 times. Nobody come tell me about that you put on weight. Me don't want blood clot hear that. Me don't want hear that. But you put on weight. Fuck that blood clot. Sit down on him and broke him would have make him forget a doctor. Ride you want? Ride you get. Wicked Pam. But I show me put on too much weight and I'm so health conscious and self-conscious of my body. And I don't want to have sex in the light. I want to have sex in the dark. And this and that. And that. The man don't want blood clot hear that. The man don't want to hear that. When last time I want to go to man like a back chat? You sound submissive. You sound submissive, you know. But you not make the man submissive to you either. Because you not talk back to the man. You too blood clot, shorty and bally. Everything as the man talk to you, start bad. Bad girl blood clot. I want to know. Who don't have like a badness in you? Every girl have badness in them. Man no love either girl. Man no love either girl. Man love when blood clot the woman and yard all toxic more time. Too much toxic not good enough, but a man love a little toxicness. I said, pussy wall. And the man look at you and say, who you talk to? You pussy! And that said, you're dead! And two, you go say she dead, her pussy get wet. Lord, fuck it. They say you get all your third youth. Because you say pussy wall and him say, blood clot girl. And who you chat to so? And choke your two toes, your pussy soak out. And you drape him up back. Two toes. Make your fingernail go in him back and him say, hey do. Two toes, he would get extra stiff because you never talk to him so yet. Lord, fuck the two on the put on. Move on the blood clot Mary had a little lamb. When you look at blood clot Mary had a little lamb and him teeth was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went. Tell me say I lie, me I tell no one there. Come tell me say I lie, me I tell you. No come, more here and tell me say I'm lying. Kamali, every woman have that side there. But sometimes the woman them need to stand up. Like how them say stand up Jamaica. Pax. The sound chip out one at a time. What time you leave? Oh, you don't come meet me, Pax. May I invite you a recall. Retro Flex, man. Oh, you don't come say hi to me and go on over me. People, you don't know no lie me I tell you no. You don't have no draws them. You don't have the sexy draws them, you know. You don't have no sexy draws them and you not put them on. You don't have the sexy clothes them and not put them on. Pam, me no wish you happy birthday. Jesus Christ. So, Pam, from last year for your birthday, me I tell you say I want to carry out. I'll know, Pam. I'll know you're busy. Easy, Trishan. How you feeling? Lord of His mercy. Remember me see up on Irish film I show off and I go on. I say, watch my wife, Trishan. I go on with a crocus bag of thing. Pam, people, this is Pam, right? Pam is one of my nail technician. She does my handshell and my foot shell, right? Pam has a surfy ticket. Because we used to say surfy ticket. Them say no, it's surfy ticket. So, I'm going to introduce you to Pam, right? I want you to go on her page and check her out. She has a surfy ticket in everything. She do hair, she do nails, she do makeup. She have a wholesale round there where she sell everything. She have hardware round there where she sell nail, hammer, zinc, board, steel, cement, sand. She have everything round there. I don't know so much thing will run a Pam yard. Right? Pam sell everything. Parks, the next show that I'll be on will be at Police Officers Club. A party called Recall with me and Bad Girl Marie. Right? It's gonna be a throwback party same way. It's a act. Right? So I want you to be there and make sure you DM me and me tell you say, alright, I say if you come. That's the next big party. I have 2 more parties after that, but I don't think you're going to come there. One up a garden town, way up a one bush. I play one next one, the 4th of November, at a 60th birthday. See? Yeah. So people, yeah, rotted. I forgot to say Pam sell all dog. Me forgot to spam sell dog. She have the dog them and sell them. Some poodle dog and some all type of dog. Here Nadine talk about me use just for men. Remember say I put on my little die when me ready. Me are 45 years now, you know. Remember, you know. This morning me ask a lady her age and she don't want to tell me. Ladies, do not be afraid to tell people your age. Because age is just a number. I realize you don't have that dirty style when people say, oh, how old are you? They must say you not ask woman that. What you mean? You have to tell man your age. Don't afraid to tell people say you're 45. Don't tell people to tell them say you're 50. You have to be proud. Remember say, you know, 40 nowadays, you know. Them say you're granny, you know, but enough people not live for say 40. You not look on what go on. You feel proud of your age. Like, you know, one have to run competition with 16-year-old and 20-year-old. Eh? Tell people say I want to you. You're afraid to tell people your age? When people ask your age, you're shy out and go on like say, oh, you're 16, you're no longer 16. You know, see some of them 16-year-old and know them look old. And look older than you. You don't look enough for them people, them girl away. When them just up on the side of in a dance. And when you ask them age, some of them are 19. And you say, then you are 19? I saw life rough with you. Big up on yourself. Remember, you know, you're going to turn 40 once. You're going to turn 50 once. You're going to turn 60 once. You're going to turn 30 once. You understand? You might feel like 16, but you can't do the things that we are 16-year-old used to do. That's why I tell you, so I have a train for ride hood. That's why I tell you, have a train for bubble pan hood. Because remember, you know, gone were the days we used to looking at the dance and see how the girl roll upon the ground and I go on. You know, sister, them days they don't know. You know, sister, pay Dalina I dance now. I be a stand up and have the fan pan them face I go on now. Nobody now dance again. Everybody stand up to Dali so. So you don't have to worry about, say you can't do what them girl there do. Learn to sit down pan hood. You know, if you can boom pan it, but make sure you can whine pan it. You understand? You have to can whine. Man stab like dog, but woman whine. You understand? Someone who get so comfortable and put one blood clad rose pound of hood, pound of clit, and put it one place and then I come talk about no man can make me feel like this. Move! Me and the boy named Rose or the girl named Rose in a war. Me I tell you that. Me and Rose in a war, because Rose can't get me out. Rose can't get me out. Because I don't put Rose one place when I put Rose, while me in and out, outside, beat it up by a clit, in there again, come out again, stab it 2 times, wine 2 times, jam the next time. I go on with a bag of things. Rose not do them something there. You could have press feet, could have speed a little more. Move! You can't trick me. Me I tell you no, Rose not better than me. Me and Rose in a competition and Rose can't lead me. I fling with me girl fling with Rose. I want to know. No one I do. I don't know what you me attack. Next year me I come and you are you okay, you know? Next year me I come and you are you okay? No, I'm not fighting. Ladies, don't get me wrong. I'm not fighting the Rose. I'm not fighting the Rose. The Rose, I will buy you a Rose, but me know it can't get me out. Because remember, I don't have on the Rose one place so. I don't have to move it and do all kind of things. I don't can't trick me. I don't know what lie me I tell. New York, Boje. Good girl gone, Boje. I tell her, say, yo, you have to go see me. And New York can see me anytime. Anytime New York can see me. I so make a big announcement. Look out for the big announcement. Just wait. Big announcement I so make. I want to see me. I want to say, Sis Anja Sunday. Dirty people, how you feeling? I'm ball. Run out to the New York and lay down on the ground. Cassie, where the Bex? Bex and bad mind me. Then we have to come to Atlanta. Remember some wicked friend live down there, you know. Long time Stone Mountain not see me. Easy, Lord. Stone Mountain not see me a while now. Chef up north, Lord of His mercy. We are daily did he mention? Hey, I want to ask you a question. The people who live in Brooklyn, just answer me that question here. Just please, anybody who live in Brooklyn, just answer me this question. I just want to know honestly. Why so much garbage there on the streets of Brooklyn? If me I get married, no, I'm not married, me I'm married. Plum. The people them will live in Brooklyn. Just answer that question for me, please. Why the streets of Brooklyn have so much garbage? I'm going to tell you which part of Brooklyn me attack. Me talk about in the 90s, them part there. Me not talk about around a Canarsie, you know. Girl boss, what go on? See somebody inside there, them say enough refugee over there. Easy. Shovel. One thing for sure, me know say the Bronx full of Jamaicans like me don't know if you say. Yeah, me there on TikTok. My name Richie Feelings 123 on TikTok. But me don't know. Me think say me I want never hold me too old for TikTok. Me don't know. Me don't know. Like somebody have to tell me how for you, like how to go about TikTok. Me don't know. Me know it's something new and the younger people them depend it long time, all 1 year now and 2 years now before me, but me don't know. Me don't know. Why if I hold me too old. Me don't know. And this is me honestly speaking, like me don't know. If like cause you know when you see when you look on live them when them come over on Instagram when you look and you say but peer young people this mix up and tear down and I don't know if them want somebody like me over there. Cause me not do the dancing every minute and me not do the so me don't know. Me don't know. So now if you just enlighten me and make me know, like, me don't know. Cause me like make people laugh and talk and go on, you know. Jaja. DJ Ross say you have to put on wig and man send me lion. But lad. Yo, I want this man. People they hear that. The man say me have to put on wig and make man send me lion. Me woman more send me lion, brother. So lion what? How much money you get when you get a lion? When you come talk to me, no man. Man say you have to put on a wig to get lion star. What am to the woman them? Them not send lion. A man alone send lion. 5 cents. 5 cents a lion. Or $400. Somebody say $400, somebody say $300 US. Wow, so if somebody send you 10 lion, oh my. My eyes still not shine, me allow it. Me I go and hold it over here so. Everybody have them people them with them like. Bear in mind, I don't business about a guy's sexual orientation. Me not business, really and truly, and my business that. Seeing? Me no business if you are gay, me no business if you are lesbian, me no business if you are bi, me no business if whatever you want to be. I don't care. Me business say me, I one of them man the way, a woman me love. Me no mix up. You understand? Because at some point you have to come across and deal with them. And me change my philosophy about these things long time. why I change. I used to be a very strong-minded person where ignorant when me hear about certain things. See? And when me start travel and go up on the plane. When me start travel and go up on the plane, I'm go up on JetBlue or American Airline. When I go up on JetBlue and American Airline, I see enough of the man them with tough up and bonfire and go on. And me hear the man come and say, sir, would you like something to drink? The same man them we are burn the fire and I go on. When the man says, sir, would you like something to drink? And then me hear tell the man say them want a soda. And the man say you want Sprite or Coke. And them take the Sprite. Seeing or them take the Coke. So me realize that these are people you can't go around. You have to deal with them. No care how you're tough up and you're ignorant and go on. And then the next thing again, you have enough of them nowadays. You have enough of them nowadays where them in a restaurant to cook not because they don't look like them gone. You can't tell by looking because you don't know who is cooking your food. You don't know if the barber where you go trim. You don't know if the nail tech where you go do. You understand? So I just the one them where come out and I push up them business in a people face. I just them one they are the one where cause the problem. You understand? So enough time when I hear people like jump up and I go on, because this is just me being realistic, you know. We just show no say I don't business with them, but I know me and them have to cross path when we have to cross path. You understand? I just tell you. So when you go hear me come out on the internet and array, I will always come on and defend the girl them. Because, you know, why me have to defend you, the ladies, the girls, them, the females, them, why I have to come on and defend, you know? Because there's a lot of bisexual men now who are, who say, yeah man, I'm a general this and I'm a done this. And then two twos when you look, you see a video come out. And when a video come out, you see him general and you're done. You see him general and you're done, a girl have a deal with him away. Or a man say, he might expose him. So, what I'm saying to everybody, just have an open mind. No say you sure about your sexuality. And once you're sure about your sexuality, you will be fine. My name Richie. Richie Feelings 123 on TikTok. You understand? So girl boss, you don't know to lie me I tell. Remember say you live in a country where you know you live in a country where when you talk about Young Street, them down a Young Street till them favor down there. See? But the woman them right now, I got always come on and me have no reason, because we have a reason and don't reason bias. I go over there go play music one of the day them. So the place open up now. Nobody not really interested in anybody to play music again like that. Because the place open up now. Everybody have time to do all kind of things. See? Because I know say the platform where you have to just go over there go bill and people have to deal with you and build up your platform. And things. I know all of that. It's going to take a time. See? So, people, I know we lay in our time right now where it's a serious time this week, you know. This is a serious time where the kids them are at high risk. See? The kids them are at high risk because if you notice what's going on now, things in a school where you never would have tell on the children. So you know have to have dialogue with the children. And the children them with themselves supposed to be the future. Them you have to worry about. Because we done pass the stage with big and tough and all. We understand right from wrong. We understand everything. But a little youth who is growing up now, they are going to be confused. They're going to be confused because them within in one place and they must say, oh, that gender you did this one then. Because we used to see male and female per wall. Now we see some different things that right per wall. See? So this is where I try to set to the females them just sit down and have dialogues with the children them. And the man them have a more open mind for us. Because really and truly we say we don't like them and we hate them and we this and with that. When we know a lie, we have to deal with them. Because as long as you go to a restaurant, you don't know who is cooking your food. You don't can't sure if you are cooking your food. You have to look upon life that way there. And as long as a man don't bring film side of life to you or him nastiness to you, you will be alright. You see me? Because you can't tell by looking. You don't know who is who. So you're not going to hear me come on and I beat my chest and I come say who this and who that. Me not no judgment towards nobody, you know. Because remember, you know, me sure of me. And if you're sure of you, you will alright with anybody. Me not care about your lifestyle where you want to live. You see me? So I just this me I try to tell you now, the youth them what them say when Houston say I believe the children are the future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Remember say from we look we hear that song and now we are big man and big woman, you know. Right? But now we have the future come. Because remember one time we used to hear about first world and we are hear about third world. We passed third world and now we have a fifth world generation we are dealing with now, you know. We are dealing with fifth world generation now. If you look power go on worldwide, so much ignorance are going on in the world, no love, no show again. Because even the same man will say him like a next man, or the same girl say she love a next girl. You never see when time them have papa yet? You ever see when time them vex and why you told them bring down them one another? You ever see that yet? So that I can love you, can love somebody and just want to bring them down so and tear them down so. I can't love that. That I just tolerance until they don't get where you are. You did that tolerate them. And then when time it no work out, you just say, oh, me have my receipt. Me have spill my guts. No, you never really love the person. So people just, like how some people just take picture with you for when you're dead. Them post up, oh my God, gone too soon. Oh my God, gone too soon. On a random day, you're supposed to take up your friend and big up your friend and say, yo, see my friend here and rare. Don't wait till people sick. Oh, asking for prayers for my friend. When I ask for prayers every day. Every day you have to ask for prayers. You can't ask for prayers for sickness. Ask for prayers and say, yo, I beg the Lord to bless and keep my friend. Say a daily prayer. Want a daily prayer. You have conversation with people and you can't express yourself without hearing your voice back pana recorded. Because it's like people have them own agenda. So no friend are really there again. No friend are really there again. So if somebody really, if you have a true friend in a times like this, if you have a true friend in a time like this, cherish your friend, you hear? Because those things are rare. Those things are very rare. Friends, like the word friend, just look on it, man. The word friends, it does spell so and use so loosely. It used very loosely because everybody has said, whoa, I'm a friend. You can't have your dance friend. And when dance gone, we go with separate ways. But come on, you know, if you have a real friend, you have to talk to them every day. People not cherish people again. People like how them can do, how you can do for them. Because as soon as you can't do things for them, at them time they're here. Just look what go on in a music, man. You see any friend in a music, man? Eh? And it's a worldwide thing. I go on in America, in the music business, I go on in Jamaica, it go on. Let me tell you, it's only the white people them alone, you know, really see for them one because we see black people one more. Black people disgrace always come quicker than white people one. You hardly see black people disgrace. You hardly see it. And years after you will see white people thing come out. And they say, who that? Oh, I have my receipt. I have this. I have that. And everybody has like a receipt. Me never know man can have so much receipt to pussy clot. Man can't have receipt. The man them worse than the woman them. And then see we here as the audience over there watch them tear down them one another. Because we are looking at say, see me over here, me you know. Me this way talking, see me over there. Another one. Like my name DJ Khalid. Another one. Another one. Then of them friend that did a par last week. And them friend that did a say, if I want thing me at a friend killer. Now them friend that say keep smiling and that's what friends are for. Eh? Now them friend that did a say I see you in a different life. People are come talk about them a keep fucking receipt. You can't even go out and enjoy like that. You can't even enjoy a nice meal anymore because two when you go out and you hear say, okay, the bill come to $300. You start here say, oh, it's a water and 2 fries me did eat. Or me did uncle order the wings. Nobody don't know about unity again for come together because a man I watch and I say she did have the lamb, she did have the salmon, she did have the fish, she did have the that. Nobody not say, okay, alright. People want you alone to pay the whole change. You know, me I keep my birthday party and me have to pay for blood clot the whole and let me tell you, come. let me have a talk with you, because sometimes the things them come and remember them. If I'm having my birthday party or my birthday dinner and you don't have any money, please say you cannot come and I will understand. Alright, Blandy. Please say you don't have no money and you cannot come. Make me tell you say if you come, I mean know you're not gonna have no money. Just tell me this. Don't bother come because things do happen. Yes, I'm my birthday and me take my birthday personal and all of that. I understand. But if you don't have the funds, nobody come, and then when you come, you eat this and you eat that and you go like you want more than anybody else. Right? And then you know you don't have the money. That's going to be fucked up. Use your discretion. If me invite you to come, just eat something. Don't bother go down in a this and you want have to go and you want have blood clot. Every meal on the blood clot menu. So you come ruin my birthday if you just go full your belly. And then when we talk about it now, you're going to say that's why you never did want to come. Please just advise me that you don't have it. Say you're financially embarrassed and I will understand. But don't come near me out and then two twos when me start talk and you see the expression on my face. And you see the bill come, then you have a blood clot talk, but you have a bathroom. You dirty blood clot, all this shit bucket blood clot. That is what again mash up no friendship because people are not real. Me invite you on my birthday and you invite your friend and none of you have no blood clot money. She's not my friend. You are my friend. You are her friend. And none of you have pay for $100 and the bill come to $500. And you expect me to pay the whole $500. You know dirty blood clot crab in a blood clot Alice bucket. Move. Me not like that style there. Enough people can't, that's I mean how the friendship something, but sometimes the friendship go one way. Friendship is not supposed to be one way. Right, Brevet? Remember, you know, you have a thing again named, people are going to ask you what you want for your birthday. You see, if I know that I'm going to spend over $150 for your birthday, don't you blood clot sorry for me and give me a $50 gift card. No do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Because you want me buy your Versace blood clot. You want me buy your Versace cologne and you want blood clot Chanel and you want all of the nice things them. And then when my birthday come here, come give me blood clot $50 gift card from Macy's. Go push it up in your big bumbo clot. Me I go tell you about yourself and tell you go suck yourself and move your dirty blood clot. And that's how this work. This not work so. You make sure I send your list come of what you would like for your birthday. But when my birthday come, you know plan, you have 6 months for plan for my birthday. And when my birthday come, you can't blood clot give me nothing at all. You want to give me $50. Eh? But yet still when your birthday come, you want the nicest on every blood clot thing. You better move your dirty blood clot. That me I tell you. You don't know me good enough. Don't sorry for me, you know. Because I'm going to live without you regardless, you know. Don't come brag and get everything for your birthday and your birthday nice and sweet. And then when my birthday come, you want to fuck it up. Move. Wait till you have it. That's why it's good to explain to people, because you see when you expect, their expectations will bring you disappointment. You hear me say? You're too blood clot entitled. And again, no found where they work with this pixie thing. If you don't know say, you don't mean, tell them say you're not into it. Because you have some people are really some good gifters. Colorful me. You have some people are some good gifters. They gift very well. Them give you some things where you look on it and say, wow, me like this can put right there, so I me like. And if you tell people say you like cologne, make them know the type of cologne them where you like. Because nobody and tell them say you don't want a toilet. You don't want that. You don't want a toilet spray. You hear? You don't want a toilet spray. I have some people them want blood clot Tom Ford and then want buy you Tamil figure blood clot cologne. Go suck yourself, you dirty blood clot. You can't check Sanderson. You want Tom Ford near and you want Tom Ford leather. And you want all kind of blood clot Tom Ford. But you want to go buy me Tamil figure. You want to go buy me Tamil figure, you know? Okay. People ask for appliance, people want new TV. Remember, you know, tell people where your budget. They be like, that's why I tell you so now straight up with people. Some want to make people use on it too much. Want to make people use on it too much. Want to make people use on it too much. Want to make people use on it too much. Tell people, say, listen me. If you see your name come up in the Pixie, if you see your name come up in the Pixie, you hear Opala tell us she want a TV. Opala tell us she want a TV, you know. And you ask her she have your name. You just find out who have your name. Right? Because a TV is going to cost you 5 bills and up. It all depends on what type of TV like, you know. And you go to bam. Because them tell us say, them want this and them want that. And them want everything. And then when you come in mind, you take the simple things. Because the simple things are your blessing. But when you go to them and look and see them want $700 gift. And them want $800 gift. And them want $1,000 gift. Then you go spend $1,000 on girl after you don't suck girl pussy. Eh? I say you're going to make people use your 5 Christmas now. Pixie come and all of them. Them give you Pandora. Some of them give you blood clot Krispy Kreme donut. Some of them, like, none of the gift them not pass blood clot $100. None of the gift them way, and you are give out $350. You are give out $400. You are put all $200 in an envelope and I give people. Eh? So when you not reach on the limit? When you not reach on the limit? That's that more I know. When you not reach on the two, hey, move man. Tell them about two, you know, the two safi man. Blood clot. Now porridge. Una pampas. Una gerba. Una gerba, baby. See Jamaican king there tell us say him get chopped 2 years of work in a secret Santa. See it there? See it there? Somebody just come on this and tell me say I lie, me I tell them man, cause it look like some love chat. Girl boss, no one a lie. Too soft man. Too fucking soft man. Lisa, how you feeling? One day they are complaining and I cuss to yourself about oh that bitch Erica, oh that bitch Sarah, that fucking bitch gave me a scarf last Christmas and now my name is on her fucking gift Pixie again. And I bought that girl a fucking $200 gift card and that bitch only gave me a pot set. That bitch gave me a fucking pot set. And when I complain about Charles do this and oh Roy do that and oh I do that. Tell the bomber all them so I put in a nothing. Sometimes you have to be a petty Betty. You have to go on the yard and a cuss and a bex. You still take the gift, you know, and a bex. What the blood clot you have bex for? How you feeling? You feel a weird. What you mean, Mrs. T? You have to tell the truth, man. You have to tell the truth. Remember, say when you have good friends and they know your financial problem, except a gift from your heart and appreciate it. Of course. But you have some people them vex over everything. Sashay say, but the supervisor say we're selfish. If we object, make the supervisor move in blood clot, Sashay. You're tired of the $50 gift voucher them now. You're tired. Me hear so much. You know why me mention this? Because I hear it too much times. I hear it too much times. I know me mention it in so much. I don't know so true me attack. Because I know found me here complain. No found me here complain. You can make supervisor make you take blood clot and give you no one figure. I give them more than what them I give you. We know them have a saying, say, give what you have and the Lord will give you more. They said the Lord will give you more. Sarah not give you more. Sarah they on a tight budget, so you know if they on a tight budget too. Eh? So every Christmas me if you buy everybody everything I mean when me go, none of my gift them now add up. You know they. You can't make them go take up that to the HR. Because that have nothing to do with the work. You come here to do your work. Nobody not to give you nothing, and you not to give nobody nothing. So listen, I'm not into that, you know. I'm not into that. My friend vexed with me because I pay plane fare go Jamaica and expect me to find her yard too. What you mean? Jamaican king, remember saying, you know, 5 grand a Jamaica, 5 grand, you know. In a US, that a $40. You came out and say, my report my page. Ah, boy. No, man. But sometimes we have to talk. Sometimes we have to talk the things, man. We're not going to sit down and just, come on, people, man. Stand up for yourself, man. Do a little standing up for yourself, man. When you not stand up for yourself, remember, you know, them live here we go at some place, you know, but it not reaching out on the workplace. Christmas is for kids, so don't expect anything from me if you're over 17. Kamar said, one time, Richie, I was reprimanded by a manager for not giving her a Christmas gift. What kind of blood clot manager this? What kind of manager this? What kind of manager this? So them say you're not a team member of the work through you say you're not deal with it. Tell them say it against a religion, you know. I don't mean you mean, but you have your time when you get fed up. You're tired. Jesus are tired. Jesus, you love me too much.